Hello guys, welcome back again. So today I'm going to show to you how to create a smooth clone effect on your video using Capcut application. So the way to create it, first you need to open your Capcut and then insert the video on your Capcut, export it, and then create a new project like this. And here's I'm already prepared a video for you, and I'm going to insert the effect onto this video, and I will show you step by step how the way to adding it onto the video. Okay, now you need to click this clip and then swipe left to the screen like this, and you need to stop on the exact duration when you will insert the effect. So when you already made a decision of the duration of it, then you just need to hit this split button, click split, and then again swipe left your screen again and stop onto the exact position when will you give the ending from the effect. So I think I'm going to put it on this 3-second duration, then again hit this split button. Okay, now when you're done, the next step you just need to click the clip that we are split before, then swipe left the toolbar, then duplicate the clip like this. And then the next step you just need to click this duplicated clip and select this overlay button. Okay, like that. Now positioning it, make sure it has a same spot or same position as the clip that we are split before, like this. Okay, now the next step, hit the overlaid clip like this, and then on this toolbar swipe left of it, then go to this remove BG to remove the background from this clip. Okay, I'm using this custom removal and use this quick brush. Then you just need to swipe onto the object that you want to remove, onto the object that you want to cut from the background, kind of like this. Okay, just wait for a moment, and when it's finished, now you just need to click this check button. Okay, again click this overlaid clip and then add a keyframe onto it. Click this button, then swipe left the clip onto the exact duration that you want to add a keyframe onto it. So for me, I'm going to adding it onto this position like this, and then hit the keyframe. Now the next part, you just need to move the object from the overlaid clip, kind of like this. Okay, when it's done, now swipe left the toolbars again and add a keyframe at the ending and send back the object onto the same spot and same position as the first clip, kind of like this. Okay, the next part, if you want to make it more have a clone, you can duplicate this overlaid clip like this and drag it on the bottom of the first overlaid clip like this. And as before, you need to go to the second keyframe like this and move the overlaid clip, the object like this, move it like this, and yep, just like that. And the final result will be look like this. And that's the way how to create this smooth, clean clone effect on your video by using Capcut application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.